Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I want to tell you about my affiliate marketing journey. You know, I thought I'd film this video because I remember during my journey how I would just see a lot of people online telling me how they're making so much money. It actually affected me in a way where I actually had to I went on what I call the shiny object journey because I was seeing so many other people out there. So I thought, let me put my story out there and give you kind of my kind of realistic, true, honest opinion of this journey. Yes, I mean, I'm making money online. I am making money online. Am I making the income goal I want to be at? I want to get to $5,000 a month as a starting place and maybe more, but I'm not quite there at the $5,000 a month, but I'm well on my way to doing it. So, and I make $1,000. I make $1,000 regularly. Do you know? So I can actually help you with the actual, the truth of this journey. I'll tell you, when I first started, like with any journey, it was a struggle. Then imagine you're climbing a mountain at the beginning of the walk. It's going to be hard. And it was hard. It was definitely hard because I think there's a lot of unrealistic sort of expectations out there. Some of the stuff you're asked to do is a bit unrealistic as well. You just they tell you to go and do things like just take solo ads and drive them to an offer, and it's just very rarely works. There's a technique to this thing that you need to know. But anyway, so when I first started, nothing was working. I was putting all this sort of stuff out there. I was trying Facebook ads, which I couldn't make work, and then I went on to Bing, which I was getting very, very little success. And when I talk about success, I'm only talking about leads. I'm not even talking about getting any sales. I was getting the odd lead, maybe once a week, maybe twice, maybe every 2 weeks I'd get 2 leads, something like that. It wasn't a lot. It was really bad, and it took 6 months before I actually made my first commission. My first commission was $20. And I thought, okay, but at the time I was excited because it took 6 months. I'd made nothing, and I'm hearing all these other people, but I thought, finally I made a commission. Yes, I've made it, and then I went on and I started to follow. I was working with somebody, and we went on together, and we actually made a couple more commissions, $50 here, $100 here. And then this is where the shiny object thing came in now. And I started to look around and I thought, but hold on, this person over there is making $50,000 in a month. This person over there is making $100,000 in a day. Where am I going wrong? And then I followed the so-called secret, and I went and I tried everything. All this shiny object stuff. I was the first to buy it. And you realize none of that works. It's not I found a proper mentor that taught me the first thing you got to learn is traffic. So I went ahead and learned traffic. I actually learned YouTube marketing traffic, and then I learned that, but I didn't learn the right way to do it. I just thought, I just got to put videos out there. No, you got to put videos that people are finding, and then I just got lucky. There was one video I put out there. It was an MLM video. I can't even remember what it was. It's so, so long ago. I think there was a little small company called Zen or something like that. And it ranked. Went number 1 on YouTube. And I got a sale. And that sale converted into $1,000. And that was in 2019. I remember that because I suddenly started to believe. I thought, my gosh, this thing works. It was one of these videos that I didn't even sit down. And I think I was on walking in the street or something, and I just put the camera up and I filmed it, and then it hit and it worked. And then it started to make sense. This traffic thing started to make sense to me. I thought, listen, and this is what the mentor taught me. Every piece of content you put out there is like a little soldier working for you. Some of them are going to be superstars, like this video was, first on YouTube, and it ranked on Google as well. People were seeing it, people were clicking on it, people were buying from it, but then some aren't. There's some articles I've written on my blog, and if I'm lucky I'll get 1 click a month, but it's all people like little soldiers. I call it little soldiers out there working for me day and night, and when I got my head around that, then it went to a place where I started to make an odd sale every month, and then an odd sale every week, and then sales every day. And it slowly went into, the journey got more and more and more like that. But the main thing that I've learned on this affiliate marketing journey for me is the consistency. There's no secret. You know, that bit, you have to throw that away. I had to throw that away. That's the only thing that actually turned things around for me. I let go of the secret. I started to think, right, this is consistency. I started to think every piece of content I put out there is like a little soldier working for me. And then when you get better, you can then actually do, well, at the beginning, when I first started, I had no money to do any paid advertising. So it was just this sort of stuff. I was putting videos up. I was just doing what I can, writing an odd article here and there, some of them ranking, some of them not. Like I said, some were superstars, some were getting me sales. And then when I believed when I got the $1,000 sale, and I actually then got a $5,000 sale by the end of 2019. And then I fully believed, and I just thought it's just a case of just putting some stuff out there, you know. So, you know, I hope that helps you a little bit to realize wherever you are on this journey, and there is going to be times when nothing happens, because at the beginning, after that $1,000 sale, I had a little plateau of nothing happening. I'm still getting an odd lead here and there, and I thought, my gosh, where have I gone wrong again? But I knew that I just had to keep going. There wasn't no shiny object. I stopped buying all these products that promise that all you got to do is click on one, do a bit of copy and paste, and you're going to be a millionaire. I stopped buying those because it was just wasting so much of my money, and I just thought, you just do it. You just keep grinding. You take that step every single day, and eventually you get closer and closer to the top of the hill. You just one foot in front of the other, and that's the kind of message I would give to anybody else coming into this affiliate marketing journey now, is try and keep away from the shiny object type stuff. Do you know what I mean? No, you will get your first sale, and when you do, you will start to believe, as I did. Do you know what I mean? When $1,000 came in, I thought, this is it. I've made it. I've actually, not that I've made it, but I've just truly started to believe. Do you know? So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to learn from the mentor that actually taught me, that I decided I'm just going to follow this person, no more other stuff, I'm just going to follow this person, it's actually helped me to work out traffic, turning traffic to the leads and turning the leads to the sales, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that, and then you can go and watch his video as well, and you'll see what I mean. It's an absolute gem. He's got some really good stuff in there. If nothing else, it's worth a watch, you know. So it's up to you. I'll leave a link below this video, you know. But either way, I do hope you got some value from this. I hope this helped in some sort of way, you know, wherever you are on your journey. I hope this is going to help you a little bit. You know, if you did like it, if it was of value to you, then please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to share it around with anyone else you think might like it as well. And if you are getting value from this channel, then please also subscribe to the channel, and, you know, remember to tick on the bell icon so that anytime I put a new video out there, you'll be the first to know and you won't miss out. Okay, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.